Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here, and today I decided to try to recreate Megan Fox's makeup from the new Machine Gun Kelly music video, Bloody Valentine. I am obsessed with Megan Fox. She is absolutely gorgeous. There is no way that I could make my face look exactly like hers, but I just wanted to recreate the actual makeup on her face. Now, I watched the video quite a few times, and some of the scenes is kind of hard to see what her makeup really looks like, but this is sort of my recreation of it from what I got from it. Yeah, so if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. So as you can see, I have my foundation done and my brows done already. I did that off camera. I didn't do anything else yet because we're gonna start with the eyes, and then we can clean anything up that we need to clean up with concealer after, in case anything falls down onto the under eyes or anything like that. I watched this music video like 50 times to try to see what her eyes looked like, but it looks very simple with just like a classic liner on and a small, very small wing and lashes. That's the most important part. So I'm gonna go in with the classic Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Warm Taupe. It looked like she had a very neutral eye going on. Now, I couldn't tell what kind of color she had on her lid. It basically just looked like skin color. So I kind of do like it just the way that it is with just the foundation base. But I think I might just go in with a little bit of tempera, just maybe lighten it up just a tiny bit. I really could not tell. And I'm just gonna focus this just directly on the lid, like basically shaping out the lid. And just packing it on. Okay, and then she has like a little tiny baby wing. I haven't used black liner in a very, very long time. Hopefully I don't screw this up. Now this is a little dried out, so I'm probably gonna go in with a black shadow after. I'm just gonna line as close to the lash line as possible. And I am going to use the black in the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any black shade. Okay, and then you should have something like that. So I'm just gonna do the other eye real quick off camera. So that side didn't come out as clean as I wanted it to, but that's okay because we're gonna do lashes and it should kind of camouflage all together. So I'm just gonna put a light layer of mascara on. So I'm pretty sure she has lashes on, but she has like a very natural wispy lash going on. It could be her real lashes, but I think they're lashes. So we want like a soft lash, so I'm going to use the ARDELL Demi Whiskies. So I apply the glue to the lash and the lash line very carefully. I learned that from TikTok, and I have a video of me trying TikTok makeup hacks, so if you would like to see that one, I will link it somewhere here. But okay, then you should have something like this, and obviously my eyes are not symmetrical like hers, so it looks a little different. This eye is giving it to me. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna do some concealer and some contour. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. Okay, and then we're gonna set that with the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Okay, so I think I want to do a powder contour, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm going to use my Sephora Face Blender, and I'm going to go into the shade Fawn, which is the middle shade here, and I'm just going to create those cheekbones. I'm going to stamp first, and then blend up. Now this blending will take some time, so be patient. just gonna use the Becca Cosmetics in Flowerchild. Couldn't really tell what kind of blush she was wearing, or it wasn't really apparent. She had a very natural look going on. I'm just gonna focus that on the outer to keep those cheekbones lifted. Alright, so going back to the eyes, I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit of warm taupe on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna skip mascara on the bottom because it looked like she had very clean under eye. Alright, I'm just gonna set my base. Okay, next is the best part, the pink lip. Now, it looked like she had a darker pink around the outer and a lighter pink towards the center, which will create a plumper looking lip. And I'm just gonna line my lips with the shade All Natural. It's Milani Color Statement lip liner. So I'm gonna start with the shade Kathryn. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer. Then I'm just gonna dab that, and then I'm gonna go over with the shade Pure Hollywood, another Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip. So it does look like her lips are matte in most of the scenes. And then we're just going to blend. Okay, so this is the final recreation. I think it is pretty similar to how her makeup is done. Hers is a little bit more natural looking, I feel. Her skin is probably a little bit more of a dewy finish. Yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, and please subscribe for more videos from me. And be sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. It's @LatestCourtney everywhere: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.